हॅलो स्टुडंट्स, खूप दिवसांनी परत माझं जॉमेट्रीचं लेक्चर आहे. तर बरेच दिवस झाले तुमचं लेक्चर नाही घेतलेलं. तर आपण अपोलोनियस थेरमपर्यंत आलेले होतो, बरोबर. सो लेट अस स्टार्ट फ्रॉम अपोलोनियस थेरम. बिफोर दॅट वी विल रिवाइज. ओके, नाउ व्हॉट इज अपोलोनियस थेरम? It is the application of Pythagoras theorem. What is Pythagoras theorem? It is based on similarity in right angle and triangle. Okay. Now, what is the similarity? It is the specific characteristics of the triangles. So, let us start the Apollonius theorem. Okay. Now, we will revise what is meant by Apollonius theorem. See the figure. Here is triangle ABC. Triangle ABC. Now, main characteristic is D is the midpoint of the BC. Median should be given, then only we can use Apollonius theorem. Now D is the midpoint, means BC is divided in two equal parts. I will apply Apollonius theorem in this triangle ABC. Then it will be AB square plus AC square is equal to 2BD square plus 2AD square. Okay. Now instead of BD you can use DC. Why? Because it is given. D is the midpoint. It is given. Means BC is divided in two equal parts. So instead of BD you can use DC also. 2DC square. Now what is BC? It is the half part of the BD. It is the half part of the DC also. So instead of using BD you can use DC here. You can use half of BC also. Now we will take example from exercise 2.2. Now see the third example. I will draw figure. Third example. Triangle PQR. Triangle PQR. What is R? It is the midpoint. Midpoint of what? This QS. Segment QS. And here is the perpendicular. Perpendicular drawn already. It is a T. PT. Okay. Now in given is that R is the midpoint. I will read only necessary information. R is the midpoint of the QS and PT is the perpendicular drawn on the QR. This is required information. Now proof. Proof is that, okay, I am sorry, not R, S is the midpoint. I am very sorry. PR square is equal to PS square plus QR into ST plus QR upon 2 whole square. First we will solve this question. Okay. Now see the question, read the question carefully. PR square, what is LHS? LHS is PR square. And what is RHS? It is PS square plus QR into ST plus QR upon 2 whole square. Now what we have to do? We have to prove that this LHS is equals to RHS. LHS is equals to RHS. So first what we will do, I will write down the question here. PR square is equal to PS square plus QR into ST plus QR upon 2 whole square. Okay. Now first do not think about the RHS. इसको भूल जाओ. Do not think about the RHS. See the LHS. This is PR square. This is PR square. Therefore, to get PR square at LHS, what I will do? I will use Pythagoras theorem in this triangle PTR. PTR. Okay. In a triangle PTR. Are you getting? In triangle PTR. See the triangle PTR. Here T is right angle. So I will use Pythagoras. PR square, this is hypotenuse, is equal to PT square plus TR square by using Pythagoras theorem, PT. Okay. Now what happened here? LHS is proved. LHS is PR square. Here LHS is PR square. LHS is proved. Now see the RHS. Now what is RHS? It is PT square plus TR square. And RHS, which we have to prove, is PS square plus QR into ST plus QR upon 2 whole square. Now see the PT square. PT square. I have to find out another value for this PT square. Now see the figure. PTS is the right angle triangle. PTQ, this is also right angle triangle. So I will use Pythagoras theorem in this triangle PTS. Now there may be a question that why triangle PTS, why not PTQ? So the answer is that here in this question actually we are going to prove Apollonius theorem, and in Apollonius theorem we have to prove PR square. We have to find out value of PR square as well as value of PQ square also. Therefore I have taken this triangle PTS, no PTQ, no PTR, PTS, middle triangle, triangle number 2. So here I am using Pythagoras theorem in this triangle. So PS square, I have hypotenuse square is equal to PT square plus TS square. Here I am getting the value of PT square. I will transfer this TS square here. So the value will be PS square minus TS square. Is it? Now PR square, LHS is proved. This is PT square. But I have the value of PT square. I have option for PT square, which is PS square minus TS square. PS square minus TS square. Okay. So I have written the value of the PT square. I have written the value of the PT square. Now, what is here? Here is the TR square. TR square. What is TR? See the figure. TR. The length of the segment TR will be addition of lengths of TS, segment TS and SR. So, instead of TR, I will write down here TS plus SR whole square. PR square is equal to PS square minus TS square. I will expand this by using identities equation. A plus B whole square 2TS into SR plus SR square. Here plus TS minus TS cancels. PR square is equal to PS square plus 2 into SR into TS plus SR square. I will write down the last PS square plus 2SR. What is S? It is the midpoint. Midpoint of what? QR. Midpoint here. PQR. What is Q? It is the midpoint of the QR. Midpoint of the QR. Then what is PQ? It is half part of the PR. What is QR? It is half part of the PR. Similarly, PR is twice of the PQ. QR is twice. I am confusing. What is PQ? It is half part of the PR, and twice of PQ will be PR. Twice of PQ will be PR. Here, what is S? It is the midpoint of the QR. So, twice of SR will be QR. Twice of SR is QR. So, instead of 2SR, I will write down here QR into TS. TS is nothing but the ST plus SR. Now, SR. What is SR? It is the half part of QR. QR upon 2 whole square. This is RHS. PR square plus QR into ST plus QR upon 2 whole square. Thank you. हे समजून घ्या.